Cloud AI can be incredibly powerful for businesses. But yeah, the costs can grow really fast if you're not paying attention. In this guide, I'll walk you through how enterprises can optimize cloud AI costs in 2026 without hurting performance or productivity. First, you need visibility into where your AI budget is actually going. Most cloud providers offer billing dashboards that break down compute, storage, API usage, and model training costs. A lot of companies automatically use the biggest AI models for every task. But honestly, that's usually unnecessary. Smaller or optimized models can handle many workflows at a much lower cost. Next, make sure auto-scaling is enabled. This lets your infrastructure scale up during busy traffic and scale down when usage drops, so you're not paying for idle resources all day. Time. And that's your full guide on how to optimize cloud AI costs for enterprises in 2026. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more AI automation and cloud infrastructure tutorials.